Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got my official GOT7 light stick I think last week. I have not been able, I didn't have the chance to open up my package cause yeah, but I finally did it and oh my god, I'm so excited. I got my friend to get it for me from when she went to fly in Seoul, so I really like want to thank her for helping me. And yeah, let's see. There's like 3 settings. Battery time is 6 hours. 3 triple A batteries needed, and then yeah. Ooh. Okay, so there's the instructions. It's like the instruction on how to put the battery on. Oh, by the way guys, the light stick doesn't come with, the batteries are not given, they're not provided, so you guys will need like AAA batteries. And I got Yeonjae's photo card. The light stick comes with a photo card of, well, it's a random photo card, so yeah. And okay, I'm gonna like put the battery on. Oh my god, it's so cute. It comes in like a thing that you can, the light. Oh, then I'll put in battery. Oh, there it is. Okay, there. Okay. So yeah, that's it guys. That is all for the unboxing of the light stick. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Follow my social media. I currently just set up a blog and I will be trying to update frequently, so do check it out. Yeah, and the links are all in the description box below. So thank you, see you guys soon, bye.